Are you looking for the best multimeter for electrical? Multimeters are essential for any electrical DIYer, technician, or professional. They fuse several measurement functions into one handheld tool: voltage, AC or DC, current, resistance, continuity, and often more specialized tests like diode checks, capacitance, or temperature. The right multimeter improves diagnostic speed, safety. Product number 1. Astro AI Digital Multimeter Tester 2000. Overview. This is Astro AI's low-cost, entry-level digital multimeter with a 2000 count display and basic AC-DC voltage, DC current, resistance, diode, and continuity testing. It emphasizes compact form factor, a backlit LCD, data hold, auto shutoff, and a protective silicone sleeve. It explicitly notes limitations such as not testing all AC current and a cautioned operation to ensure correct plug insertion and rotary switch position. The dual fuse protection and low battery indicator contribute to safety and reliability in simple household or automotive tasks at a budget price point. Performance-wise, the meter offers a 2 samples per second refresh and a 0.6-inch 3.5-digit display, adequate for basic troubleshooting like outlet checks, battery health, fuses, and simple resistive measurements. However, it lacks true RMS capability and has clarified limitations with AC current testing and some AC voltage ranges, which can affect measurements in noisy environments. The product includes test leads, batteries, and user manual, along with California-based support. For beginners or occasional hobbyists, it provides a familiar, no-frills experience, but more demanding
Product number 2. Klein Tools 69149P Electrical Test Overview. Klein Tools combines a full-featured digital multimeter with an NCVT, non-contact voltage tester, and a receptacle outlet tester in a compact kit. The MM300 style meter handles up to 600 volts AC/DC, 10 amp DC current, and 2 mega ohm resistance with continuity indicators. The NCVT-1P tester detects voltage with an audible alert and a bright LED, while the RT105 outlet tester helps verify wiring correctness. The package includes batteries and leads, making it a ready-to-go kit for electricians and DIYers who want an all-in-one solution for general electrical troubleshooting. Performance analysis shows a robust feature set with CAT3 600-volt safety rating on the MM300 meter, lead protection LEDs for correct probe placement, and a backlit display for use in dim spaces. The non-contact tester provides quick voltage presence checks without making contact, which speeds up initial assessments. The included outlet tester adds value for diagnosing wiring faults in outlets. However, the kit's neater is more oriented toward general use tasks rather than precision electronics work. Product number 3. Klein Tools MM325 Multimeter Overview. The MM325 is Klein Tools' manual ranging multimeter, designed for users who prefer direct control over measurement ranges. It covers AC/DC voltage up to 600 volts, 10 amps DC current, 2 mega ohms resistance, plus diode test and continuity with audible and visual indicators. Build quality features include a durable shell, a kickstand, test lead holders, and compatibility with Cat3 safety testing. This unit emphasizes tangible, tactile operation and reliability for professionals who rely on manual range selection for precision. Performance-wise, the MM325's lead alert LEDs help ensure correct test lead insertion, minimizing setup errors. The backlit display improves readability in low-light environments, and the included test leads and AAA batteries provide immediate usability. Its 2% accuracy specification aligns with typical DIY to pro range expectations. The manual ranging approach can be slower for quick diagnostics, but offers reliable control over measurement ranges, which some technicians prefer. Product number 4. Astro AI Digital Multimeter. Overview.
This Astro AI model expands capability to true RMS, TRMS measurements and auto ranging up to 6,000 counts, enabling more accurate readings for both AC voltage or current and more complex signals. It also adds capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, temperature, and diode or continuity testing, positioning it as a feature-rich instrument suitable for automotive, electronics, and general electrical work. The inclusion of auto-ranging, a larger display, and higher safety margins, fuse protection, are notable advantages in this mid to upper tier entry. Performance-wise, the TRMS functionality reduces measurement bias on non-sinusoidal waveforms, which is valuable for modern electronics and some motor loads. The range expansion to capacitance and temperature testing broadens applicability beyond basic voltage or resistance checks. The device emphasizes safety with ceramic fuses and higher current and voltage protection. The trade-offs include a heavier form factor, approximately 492 grams, and potentially more complex operation for beginners. Overall, product number 5, Astro AI Digital Multimeter Tester 2000. Overview. This Astro AI variant mirrors the Blue model in functionality, offering a 2,000 count display with DC-AC voltage, DC current, resistance, and diode continuity testing. It emphasizes a compact design, backlit display, data hold, auto shutoff, and safety features such as dual fuse protection. The black color option provides a straightforward, budget-conscious alternative for users who don't require the extra features found in the TRMS or Klein kits. Performance-wise, this meter prioritizes simplicity and affordability. It lacks explicit true RMS capabilities and notes limitations with AC current testing and some AC voltage ranges, which can influence